dental crowns are an everyday procedure for dental patients that most will require at one moment during their lifetime. They can be used to restore the form, size, and function of damaged tooth. But how much do dental crowns cost? In this clip, we'll explore the various factors that influence the price of dental crowns, as well as provide an overview of typical expenses associated with this process. Factors affecting the cost of dental crowns. The price of dental crowns can differ in accordance with a range of elements. A few of the major factors that affect the price of dental crowns comprise: 1. Materials. Dental crowns may be created from a wide range of substances, such as ceramic, steel, and ceramic. The choice of the material has a major influence on the expense that the crown will cost. Ceramic crowns tend to be costlier than crowns made of metal-like. 2. Where you live. The cost of dental services can be different dependent on the location you live in. Dental treatment tends to be more costly in cities as opposed to areas that are rural. 3. Dental experience and experience of the dentist who performs the procedure also influence the price on dental crowns. The dentist with more experience may offer higher prices for their procedures. 4. In the case of insurance coverage, price of dental crowns can be covered partially through dental insurance. Check with your insurance company for the details of what's covered by your insurance plan. Average cost of dental crowns. In the average, the price of a dental tooth crown may be anywhere from $800 up to $2,500 for a crown. It can be different based on the variables mentioned earlier. Ceramic crowns typically fall more expensive than other crowns in the spectrum of prices, while metal crowns are generally less expensive. Apart from the expense of the dental crown itself, there could be other charges associated with the procedure, like X-rays, consultations, and anesthesia. The costs of these should be included into the total expense for an implant for your tooth. It's crucial to keep on your mind how dental crowns work. They are a crucial dental procedure that will improve the look and function of a tooth that has been damaged. Even though the expense may seem excessive, the benefits of a dental crown could outweigh its cost in the end. Ways to save money on dental crowns. If you're trying to reduce the cost of dental crowns, here are some ways to save money for your dental crowns. 1. Find quotations from a variety of dentists to look at prices and determine the lowest price. 2. Think about a dental college. There are dental schools that offer discounts on dental services for clients as part of their educational programs. 3. Find discounts. Some dentists might offer special discounts or payment plans for patients in need of financial aid. 4. Consider financing options. There are dentists who offer financing options that can assist in spreading out the costs of the treatment over a period of time. Cost of dental crowns can differ in relation to several elements. In general, the price for a crown at a dentist's office can be anywhere from $800 to $2,500 for a crown. Even though the cost might seem expensive, there are many ways to reduce the cost of dental crowns. For instance, searching around, thinking about an institution for dental, checking for bargains, and even looking into financing possibilities. The bottom line is that purchasing a dental crown can be a wise investment in your dental health and well-being.